Hello. How many product ideas you have in your bucket? I have almost 100 or maybe more. I am maintaining this Notion database for the product ideas since 21, yeah, 2021. And in 2023, I guess I analyzed them just to make sure which ideas are still uh, has potential. Yeah, but now I have started. Uh, I think all the ideas should have a home instead of putting them in a notion. I guess there should be a product, a website where every user can list all their ideas, uh, uh, no matter if they are converted to product, actual product or not. If you have tried uh, product building on that idea, it's failed, it's successful, or it's acquired. So any state, idea is still idea. So in this video, uh, or maybe I don't know, like how many videos this idea will take. Yeah. So anyways, so let's build that application. That like it's small, like there was a bento.me website that was the better link tree, I guess. Yeah, or better link in bio or something. Yeah, I will try to make the UI similar to that. Yeah, the pretty minimal UI. Let's. All right. So here on the screen, I have named this project Loam. I spent literally 1 hour to find the good name. Loam is still not available, but I will use Loam or with Loam or Go Loam, something like that. And okay, so now to build applications with AI, agentic coding, vibe coding, whatever the term we use, I maintain a folder. I sometimes I name it devdocs or uh, .wtf or .office .bench, where I name them differently. But goal of this folder is here I put uh, like everything, my experimentation, chats, product idea, prototyping, references, writing rule. Like this folder has no perfect, no rigid structure. Like it is, uh, it is evolved along the way. So this structure is from the previous product I was working on. So I guess not all of them I need. Let's start with just chats folder, and we can delete all other things except the reference folder. Reference folder will stay here, and writing rules will stay. And one more thing that I do actually, uh, okay, so these are the writing rules. So every time when I have to write the website copy, I use these Mark 32 rules. Mark posted this on Twitter, and these are here. Then this is a Silicon Valley. Well, okay, so this is a she's a YouTuber, and I made a project, steal their voice. So basically does it extract 5 videos. uh, it has internal scoring system, and then extract uh, the patterns how the content creators speak in that video in whole channel. So it is all this. uh, yeah, so this is just for the content copy. And then I have one more thing is, yeah, by the way, my name is Aves. Okay, so this is my own writing rules. It's my own voice. Like I gave, I guess, 50 conversations to, I don't know which LLM, I forgot. So yeah. So I gave this 50 conversation to same project, just steal their voice, the project. I just remember. Okay, so Yeah, so this file I will use when I will be chatting with the coding agent. So it just simplify the output. It just sound like so. And then this is basically a file from my client project. It's nothing. It has no strong reference here. It just a I like their feature naming structure like F10 and then the feature name. So I like that thing. So before building this product, uh, I have been I have been stopped writing code by my hand since 2025 January, and so in that 1.5 year I have learned, like I have improved myself, uh, my workflow actually, how to build application with AI. Like there are a lot of ways, but what I do, one thing I maintain this folder, and second thing I plan project a lot, like very well. So better the planning, the awesome the output, whatever you call it. Okay, let's start discussing the idea. So it start with this chat. I will not read the whole chat. Obviously LLM is there to deal with the whole thing. Yeah. Okay, let's start. I will use Gemini, Antigravity CLI. So here I have something. Yes, yeah, here I have just I was testing like how Antigravity. I have Antigravity CLI version, but this is their Antigravity 2.0 version, like this application. Before, this is my first time with this. Okay, all right. I know this video will be long. Yeah, I have this in my mind. Like this video will be, I don't know how much it can be long. All right, so let's start. Okay, first of all, this chat here. In this chat, I have had discussed the whole idea, and yeah, I guess before moving to this ID, like Jimmy thing, I guess I can show you that chat. If like it will be very easy because Jimmy has still better interface. Will show this markdown well. All right, maybe this one is, I don't know. Yeah, this is the thing. This is the chat discussion. Let me take you to the actual pain point. The front appear on the front. Okay, so this was the. Oh my god! Actually, this chat has so much stuff in it, so many things, and I am worried if AI uh, go in wrong direction. I don't know, like how it will take this idea. Okay, I have solution for this. Like it is obviously it's all about prompting. Okay, all right. Okay, so here we will leverage our folder system. Okay, so what's happening? Like now here are the artifacts, and here I have written some instructions. Like all the artifacts should go in this folder with this AG file name. Okay. First of all, I need to give my writing rules. Copy and path. Follow these writing rules. All right. Then we have next step is I have to give readme cooperative path, create this for creation. It's pretty fast. Usually it is not. Oh, I use CLI, so CLI is not that fast. Slow. Okay, next thing we have to share our chat with it. And okay, so this is now the actually the challenging part. Like, wait, no. Okay, this file in multi-dimensional way run 8 agents. I guess eight is so much. Like three is good. Like run 3 agents to study its study this file in each dimension. Fourth agent. Okay, wait. Make artifact file from each. Fourth one is consolidating agent that make final file. Alright. And where we have to put all the artifacts go in this file. All artifacts in artifacts folder. Right. And yeah. I'm not sure, like it will. Okay, it is doing something. Agents are running. That's good. Oh, no way. Like it's UX shading research, architecture research, region research. I don't know. Like it has divided the dimension in its own way. Like if I would have given, you know, 8 agents command, like it. Okay, I guess it's done. Dimension that architecture. It's doing something. Console. But master code. Okay, now it's running. All right. Yeah, it's handy. I have not experienced this for agents. Yeah, it's good. That's good. All right. Now how to get rid of this? Okay. I don't know. So it will stay open. All right. It's writing something. It's running. Okay. It's doing something. All right. What should be our next plan? It is. It depends on the. Okay, it's ready. It's ready. Okay, what is this idea? Let's read this. Then we will prototype the what do you call it? I have opened this. Yes, on Excalibur. All right. I will keep the UI simple. Okay. Hello, whatever. This is so much theory. So okay. So this thing is user owns idea, has workspace, track progress, checkpoints. What the fuck? What it has made? Maybe it is. It has something, but hmm. Oh, okay. Yeah, when I planned this idea, so I was just I I discussed so many things, and like me and Kimi, we planned a lot. Like so, we planned a full idea. Okay, what if I? Yeah, why I don't say this to Kimi? Like this was the Kimi, right? Yeah, I can say this like make document MD that explain my whole idea from problem H to the solution. You can use the uh, pass model or 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 use pass under the hood, because pass will not cover the whole thing because it has to share so much. Okay, what if I get PRD for this? Yes, PRD is good thing. Make make PRD. Yeah, PRD is good thing. Like you can merge business thing, idea doc and PRD into one. Use a pass or whatever is suitable. Don't miss anything. Wow, don't miss anything. Like what is give me hi. All right. Okay, chat is long enough. All right, it's doing something. I'm not expecting this messy. Okay, okay, good. It's working. It's doing something. Okay, it's making PRD. Okay, it, okay. It is writing the Markdown document using its Python script. Okay, what is the next step? Like after this document is generated, so this document has a extra feature. So I will skim. I guess I have to. With this document, it will be very easy to plan the MEP for Loom. Okay, document is ready. All right. Wow, it's no Markdown is good. Oh my god. Okay, let's read this. Open with typora. Okay, let's read this. What it says. Cause this whole thing. All right. How to get rid of this? Oh my god, how to get rid of this? Like, why it's here? You good. What was that for? This I don't know. Okay, so this is a personal archive or idea for India. View that products one workplace. Okay, all right, all right, all right. Oh yeah, this is good thing. Like entities. Uh, wait. This is important too. Okay, so space one graveyard a timeline of every idea you ever had, whether it died, went dormant. Each idea carries its origin story. It's a pass model, problem, agitation, solution. It's checkpoints. Okay, checkpoints. It's interesting. It's a thing. You will find it later in this document. And understanding. But space two, it's a workspace for the idea you are currently nurturing. Not a single doc, a container, multiple. Okay, it's another thing. It's basically again. I'm not sure if we should delve this at MVP level at least. All right. Next, we have entities. This is the core of application. If we understand this thing, then product will be very simple. Okay, user entity, the idea entity, and then the context item, feed item. Oh, so much. Okay. Name, email, avatar, bio, simple. Idea thing. It has so much stuff in it. Idea user. This is relational thing. Okay, title, description. Okay, the raw 3M thought. Okay, so this is like very raw thing, or we can merge this with origin story also. Okay, origin story actually has some details, how it came, toilet, shower fight, and yeah, like I said, uh, we can merge some property. Like there are so many things. Structure is uh, if I think about the users of this application, so like this is a lot. Like user cannot fill this. uh, what I am expecting, like what I think, what user will love it, a title of the idea, you know, the description, the story. Yeah, story. It's good. enough. Like these two fields are very enough. User will happily fill that thing. Yeah, that very flexible. But on the opposite side, if I just give user a blank uh, text box, a large text box, so it will be, at least for if user think like me, or if I am the user, I will get hard time to fill that thing, because I get blank when I have to speak, when I have to write something I don't have an idea. And so much so, AI content writing, like at every stage, even if I have to send email message, I use AI. So my innate abilities to do those things are gone. So this is why I think, if breaking down that long text into some structured items, but still only necessary thing. Okay, so here is the thing. Okay, description, origin story, past problem, past agitation, past solution, journey notes. Okay, status, death reason. Okay, status in this dreaming, building, ship, dead, acquire. I don't get what is dormant, and then that same thing. Then why it is dormant? I don't know. Or maybe I don't know what is dormant. I guess we can merge dormant and dead. We can merge them. Death reason is on as no performance. Okay, this word is like so harsh. We can change this to something polite. Then archive note. What is this thing? Archive note. Ran out of mango money. I don't know. What is this thing? Oh, yeah, this entity, this table needs reconsideration. Spark. Okay, this is interesting. Okay, actually, these are the checkpoints. Like uh, uh, how far you went in your journey. For example, spark, you just had the thought, right? Like again 3 a.m. or a bathroom tour. I get most of ideas in washroom, or when I just wake up, only if I wake up again, and sometimes when I about to sleep. Okay, so then thing is brainstorm. Like I just brainstorm this idea with Kimmy. So this is second stage. Yeah, told a friend, thought it through, then research. So this is the actual point. Like most new indie hackers don't do. I don't do the research part, because it's the real part. Everyone said, everyone says just do research, talk to customers, but no one tell us, no one talk about like where to find customers. Then edit, then you get blocked. You violate the Reddit rules. Better I say you violate the Reddit extra strict rules. So then you get blocked. So yeah, there. This is a separate topic, I guess. Like how to find customers, just to validate our idea, how to talk to them. Like yeah, it is pretty easy to say just talk to customers. Like how to, this is thing. Okay, then is okay. This is again say, like if you have researched it, it is mixed. Like you have done some Google, you have searched on Reddit, or you have talked to customer. Like it depends. Still, it fall under the research category. Then it's if you have purchased the domain name. Yes, I have made this mistake many times, but no, I don't do. Uh, got an idea, little bit brainstorming, research. Then next step is purchasing domain name after spending 6 hours to 2 days finding a perfect name and then buying it, and then never looking back to that idea. I know I have purchased, like every year I purchase like at least 5 domains, and then I don't build anything. Okay, so next stage is sketch. Here, like prototyping. If user has prototyped the idea, like if user went to this, it has user has made some progress. Then landed, what is this? Okay, landed. So this means like user reach this stage, like after talking to customer, purchasing domain names, all those things he has founder has done. Then waitlist landing page is the OPS step. So collect the emails. Just it's again validation. MVP, like our we are going to develop uh, our product MVP. We have not yet prototype this. We are just advanced brainstorming stage. I have not done any research on this. The reason is I want this idea to be accessed. I want this for my own age. Okay, next is shape. Okay, then got users. Okay, I guess after shipping, the next phases are just the market, selling. Everything comes after your actual struggle comes after shipping. Got user monetized, cared, or you can also say like a scaling or uh, what is what is that thing? Acquired. Then we have dormant. Okay, dormant. What is this thing? Like killed, stopped, achieved, abandoned, dormant, past, not dead. Okay, dormant, like past, not dead. Okay, you have. I guess better name for this pending. Okay, dormant is a good name. Good word for this because okay. The next thing is feature breakdown, optional only for the ideas you actually try to build. Okay, so this is the thing. Like I thought, if founder really want to share more about its idea, so like the features, like full detailed like breakdown of its idea. So features, the pages, user types, workflows, use cases. In case if you want, so share. So okay, so next thing was the context, the workspace. What is this? Is it the idea, linked idea, laundry thing? I don't know. I don't know from where this thing came. Yeah. Okay. I actually get it. So basically, I plan like user edit the idea. Uh, then some files are internal, like documents, media, audio. You know what I want? I want if I have tried any idea building it, I have spent 2 to 3 months on idea. So I would like to dump everything somewhere. Like if it is running, okay. In every case, I want to dump all the documents, uh, audio notes, everything in one place instead of they scattered in my laptop file manager. So this is the use case, like where uh, actually better name will be context is good name, I guess. Okay, or we can name it even better. Yeah, but this is the goal of this thing is just to it's internal. No uh, only founder can say this, manage this. Then we have then there is feed item. Okay, so I also thought about to make a feed, so where all the feed items like all the ideas go, but with an option. User uh, if founder wants to share his idea, so there is an option, public or private. Yeah, so that way. All right, so we have discussed. Okay, then there was a feature I was planning to like sharing an idea. So friend, peer, customer, investor. Like if you are sharing to friend, origin story, checkpoint, reason, the bar story, and so on. Okay, all right. So now we have discussed the whole idea. Before developing this, I guess let's be real. Like if tech part is not the problem. Like if I develop this idea with all of these features we have in this document, no problem like building this. But uh, will like if I share the product, the main question is like how hard and how time consuming it will be for the founder to fill this form. Like I don't know how many items they are, but they are plenty. So we can merge some fields. Yeah. Okay, let's think about this. What we can do. Okay, what's this? All right. Yeah, let's come. All right. Oh, first of all, I will put this file into the actual project. Okay. Product idea research. Where to put this thing? Chat is not a good option. Research, maybe research is not. Product idea. Yes, product idea or just a product folder. Yeah, this is the correct location. I should say this, name it like the V1 idea V1 V0.1. Yes, this is the good thing. All right. Okay. Now here it is. Writing goals. I guess this whole thing is no longer needed. It's all wrong. I am putting this for archive. All right. All right. Product, and this is we have. Okay. Now let's prepare MVP. MVP.md. Okay. So here, what we have to put? But actually, this product name. What you do like when you share your idea. I personally like this model, like the problem, agitation, solution. The thing is like problem is actual problem. You can use the story here, and then the agitation mean you can use you can discuss like why others, and then in the solution you can discuss the solution. And there is an other model, I guess that is slay model. Oh, and slay model Lara Costa. So these are basically LinkedIn copywriting framework models, and I think they can work for this too. Like past model is actually copywriting model, but can work uh, easily for our case. But slay is basically the customized or the better version of past model made by Lara Costa. She made this. Uh, okay, yeah, this one. Good explanation you got. Perfect. Okay, so how it is like the story. This thing like I wanted to have a story. Like any idea has a story, so it's perfect. Like story lesson. Oh no, this it is like say L part is not working for us. Actionable is not working either because we're not selling anything here. It's just an idea, or maybe we are. But if we merge pass and slay, we will get something. Okay, then there is a IDA model. IDA is a classic model in marketing lesson. Get IDA copywriting. What is this thing? Okay, so there are so many models. We cannot go through with everyone. Like here, attention, like then interest, then there's a desire, then action. Again, this is just to sell something. Okay, there is a simple explanation here. Oh god. Awareness, interest, desire, and attention, and action. uh, this is another thing we can no, I would say like pass, ida and slay, because slay has story. This is interesting part, and ida has the attention part. But again, we are not selling something. ida also, and second point is also interesting, like the interest, like why. This is another thing, like why user should read your idea. But yep, it matters like why user should read your idea. Yeah, it is another important point. Okay, so now we are in what we say this in English. Okay, we are in tough spot. Okay, I I guess let's ask this question to ChatGPT. Yeah. Okay, so we have uh, what if you merge pass slay slay ida. Uh, okay, to share your product idea, what will be thus the final copywriting model for this model will be. uh, Keep in mind the target audience, like okay, so to get the target audience, here we have target audience, friends, peer founders, like this one, right? This is our target audience. I guess shift so let's see. Okay, come on, the password. Okay, the emotional hook, why should I care, and the ida is a persuasion flow, how do I move with them, and slay, memorability and the trust, why they will remember. But there is no story here. Where is the story? Where is the story part? I want to have a story in it, an idea. You skip that. Or where? You're right. Story should not be the optional section. It should be the spine of every page. The mistake is treating the story another block along the side. The great pitches don't go this. They go like story carrying past while IDA control the pacing. So the model is model. Okay, you know, like AI is creative. No, it made a framework, story framework, like Spark, and then we have D, the tension, and then we have observation, and then the resolution, and the Y, the yield part. All right, perfect. Okay, so carries the entire message. Where do pass, IDA, and story fit? So hierarchy is hook, problem, agitation, insight, solution, proof, action. Oh fuck! Look, this is okay. So their example, like this is how Airbnb story works for everyone. Friends here, the founders could not pay the rent. Customer here, they can. Unique stays, founder here. Okay, so like uh, Airbnb story, like working for everyone, friends, customer, founder, investors. But thing is, how we can incorporate all things in our idea. uh, Here I mentioned there is a sharing mode, so I don't want sharing, like I don't think like it will be a lot of work to implement this sharing mode for each area, and each sharing mode, like there are four, maybe so much work. And now it's a okay, so like a story begins, inciting incident. What inciting mean? I only know about exciting. To provoke, okay, provoke, inciting is incident, problem discovered, why existing, solution failing, insight, idea is born, how it works, proof, future vision. Oh, no. Here is the thing. Here, okay, I have to share with it like what actually we are building. This is important. We are building an idea sharing platform. I guess I have to share this thing. Hmm, good, but you need to understand my product at first, then make decision. Because uh, in our audience, in our audience, we have like not every idea. Uh, like our customer is different. Our user is different. Like some users properly fill every detail, they write everything, but I guess most of them. Okay, one thing I would only say, like, idea is already fair. Who cares to maintain this thing? So like, this thing is a lot of friction to user, and it's like a selling, like call to action, future version proof, how it works. It's a big thing. Like, it can't be here. It can't be here. It's an investor page. Which back extra. See my product idea. All right. Yeah. Okay, this is not a productive app. This is a project mentor. Okay, you are building. You are selling a builder's life story. One thing I must say, like, GPT is good at uses smart lines. Uh, Claude is obviously good at code. GPT also, but GPT is very good at the copywriting. I have never seen those lines from Claude, so only GPT now. Okay, the emotional transformation place to share my ideas. People think they are buying. Okay, they are actually buying. A place where my journey is not forgotten. That's the core of it. Every product needs a story. People have ideas everywhere. That's symptom. The story start much simpler. Act one. Every builder start the same. Has that folder one of fundamental purpose. What the fuck is this? What is Act one, Act two, Act three? What the fuck is this? Okay. Shallow. It's true. The builder. A problem. Builder lose their journey. Agitate every build story. Then I'm positioning it. What the fuck is it? I won't use the password anymore. Something like, I would use something like identity copywriting framework for your product. You're describing a commercial framework. Yes, I guess now it's getting. Okay, your framework needs to be repeatable. Works for every any startup. Tell a story. Yes, story is important. How the how did this idea come to exist where it is not? Why should I care? First, main idea explain story and events. First, the explain business. Your framework has to be merged from out of both. What is built does actually works. What next? Notice the story never stops. Wait. Oh, okay, okay. Again, I have to. Yeah, obviously you are designing a page framework. Obviously, so user are not copywriter; they are builders. Some have 100 pages of research, others have AI for restaurant. That's literally all they have. The user both. No pitch, no deck, no story. It's collective life and idea, context, problem, attempt, evolution, evidence, outcomes. Okay, what is this thing? I would merge with a story. I would merge something more fundamental. Every idea has six natural questions. Where did this idea come from? Obviously, it's a story. No pressure. Problem. What's bothering you? If they don't escape vision, what you imagining? What do you imagine existing? Not like, not how does it work. Simply, I wish this existed. Shape. This optional. The idea becomes clear. Could include feature workflows. My God, wait. What is this thing? This grows over time. Okay. Shape. Like, you cannot put shape in this thing. The shaping can be a separate document. It can be everything proves progress, reality. Maybe prototype, landing page, the fate. Every idea eventually becomes active, fast, dead. Oh, okay. Maybe it's all right. Maybe we got our. Yeah. And I got another feature I think we can implement. So that feature is the voice chat interface with voice code. Uh, User comes on this website and record the idea, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever the time user need. Just tell everything about your idea, and then chat will process that thing. And if it needs some questions, it will ask it, ask it for the idea, for the idea. Yeah. So okay, so think of it like a game solve. I will feel as is completion state, idea, problem, solution, validation, revenue. You can make an answer here. Hero's journey, YCP journey, become a views over underlying data. I think actually he's right. Become or or what if I just keep this story thing here? Like, what's the problem? Right, the spark problem. Like how this idea came. Like this is a story. Like this is not a spark. It's a story. Then I what if I start from problem? So what if we merge the spark and story? Then yeah, it can be done. Then vision. What the story? Story. Hmm, it's no longer story. Allow user to either a record button where user speak all the. There will be chat interface. Where next for the. Okay, what if I say like what is my original plan? Original want wait. Share. Let me share my original entity, right? I guess I should share the whole document. No. Yes. Actually, we have perfect. Like we have already done the great thing. We just need to work on our graveyard places because this is yeah. Instead of filling the getting forms field, we can give AI, and then database will automatically be filled on tool call. I have done that in two other applications. So description, this is just a raw. I guess description we can cut that. But okay, no, the problem is writing how user the form. If this is the problem, then I guess this is not a problem. We have sorted this out. Uh, if problem is on the viewer side, like how user will read the whole thing, I guess that's not the problem. Our structure is perfect. I will ask GPT if there is any room of has the document as it is. Yeah, it's not a thing, so it's not that big document, I guess. Okay. If you're, I think you are sitting on a bigger idea than you realize. A PRD identity, pass, origin story, pass, checkpoint, feature, workflows. But your new idea, wise chat engages everything. We should completely change into philosophy. You feel an entity as random, and what the fuck is stage one? What the fuck is this? Wait. It is not getting it. Obviously, document is already uploaded. It will not be. Okay, it's optional. My idea has pretty